It's a great pleasure to finally join you here at Shofco to commission the Kibera Girls' School. We are here to celebrate a dream come true, because for years, the parents and students and all who wish them well have wanted a place in which our daughters could study and make the most of their talents. Today, we are here to commission that place and to celebrate this opportunity to transform the lives of our daughters.